Hello everyone, today we are going to take a look at this Miyota movement right over here, and we're going to check all the parts of this Miyota movement step by step. I'm not familiar with the Miyota movements. I'm familiar with the ETA movements, not all, but some of them. So this is simply, it's going to be a challenge. It's really the first time I'm doing this Miyota movement. You can find more information below the video, and let's get started. I already opened the case back or back case. You need a tool to open the case back. Different tools. I use this one to open it. Watch and movements. So yeah. Okay. Gasket, back case. It's a glass. You can see through it too, and you can see the movement inside of the watch. Let's put the winding stem back to its place. Very slowly, very slowly. Yeah, that's it. Okay, next step is the hands. Our hands, minor hand and second hand. Okay, I'm going to try this screw right over here. Okay. And there's also here another screw. Must be here somewhere. Okay. Yeah. So one screw here and one screw here. One here and one here. One here and one here. This is for the dial. So pushing slightly here and taking the winding stem like this, and a plastic ring here. So plastic ring, this, the Miyota movement dial, and the winding stem and crown. So this Miyota movement attached to the dial. Plastic ring holds the whole system in the watch. right over here. The second screw, gently. Almost. Yeah, almost. Gently turning the screw. Yeah. Dial. This is the Miyota moment and Citizen dial of the watch. Okay, next one is balance bridge, right over there. Okay, the screw from of balance bridge. Okay, we have to release the tension here, just like ETA movement, the tension. You have to release the tension right over here. I guess this looks different than the ETA, but it must be click this. Again, I need a small screwdriver and just slightly pushing here, this here. You can set it. Let's check, it's okay. One more time to be sure exactly. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, move on. It looks definitely different, but this must be the pallet fork bridge. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, that was better. Okay, yeah, there it is. Slowly here. Yeah. Oh. The pallet fork. Okay. Pallet fork. You see? This is the pallet fork. Okay. Gently to its place here. Still, I'm trying to take out this. Yeah. Pallet bridge. Pallet fork bridge. Okay. Pallet fork bridge. Okay, next one. I guess this must be a barrel bridge. Okay, there are three screws. I guess this one, the first one here. Okay. There's another screw here, very small screw, and the bridge. Okay, yeah, there it is. There it is, screw and our bridge. Okay. Okay. Slowly, number one, and then mainspring barrel. No. Wait a minute. This is not. This is the ratchet wheel. Sorry, this is the ratchet wheel. I guess. Yeah, this is the ratchet wheel. So this is the ratchet wheel. Here, this is the mainspring barrel here. All right, so over here, I guess it's easy. Just take this. Okay. Let's take this outside. If it's come, I'm not so sure. Yep. You see here? Can you see it? Difficult to pick the wheel. Yeah. You see? And there's another wheel here. Yep. You see here. I hope you can see it. You know. Okay, next one. This is escape wheel. Can I pick it? Yeah. I'm gonna show you. This is escape wheel. This one. Now this is for hand setting. Be careful. Yeah, really careful. Whoa, be careful, be careful, be careful. There's a tiny part here. You see here? Yeah. Came off here. From here. It was here. Okay. Now this is the where the dial is. So this is the back side, and this is the where the dial is. Okay. There's a small screw right over here. By the way, here is the hand setting system. It's come off. Finally. Oh. You see. Okay, winding stem. Okay, what is this then? This looks like sliding pinion. Yeah, it's also the setting lever. Looks like the same as the ETA, and the place is right here near the hole where the winding stem enters the movement. So it is the setting lever. You have to pick the right screwdriver. It's a tiny screw here. One here. Okay. Can you see? There is another small part here. Here. And another another small part here. Maybe this one is the canopy. Another wheel. No, it's not. Doesn't. Yes, I think I'm a bit confused, but maybe this is the canopy in here, and this is the. I guess this is the center wheel. Okay. Screw. Okay. Tiny part here. Tiny part. I guess it's a spring. Okay, here we are with our main plate. There's the one side and this is the other side. You see the red stone here. This is the shock system. You can take this outside, but I'm not going to do this today. I'm going to make another video just for shock system, which is because it's really important. This shock system is for balance. The balance system comes here with the balance wheel and a balance and balance bridge. So I'm going to make another video for this shock system, but the generally main plate is this. So when you compare with the, my first impression is the Miyota is much more complex than ETA movement. It has more parts and therefore is much more complex. And there are really more parts than ETA, I guess. So it is my first impression. For the assembly, I'm going to make definitely another video for the same watch. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Sayonara.